The third generation Tundra launched just a few short years ago, and new for the 2024 model year is a new take on an iconic grade. The 1794 grade, which is named after the ranch that the San Antonio plant that assembles Tundra was built upon, gets even better with the 1794 limited edition, which focuses on an elevated premium leather interior experience and the addition of enhanced off-road capability. Tundra owners pride themselves in their rugged and durable trucks. This new special edition also adds a dose of exclusivity as well, with a limited run of only 1,500 units. Based on the 1794 Tundra grade, the 1794 limited edition comes with a Crew Max cab, 5.5-foot bed, 4-wheel drive, and the iForce Max powertrain, all standard. The unique premium leather and its design were developed through a collaboration with the Saddleback Leather Company. These two Texas-based powerhouse companies pulled off an incredible feat by sourcing leather that met their rigorous standards for quality, durability, and style that customers will be able to see and feel. An exciting part of this 1794 limited edition is the addition of several Saddleback Leather Company accessories that match the truck. These include a large overnight bag, tool roll, owner's portfolio, key glove, and a small pouch. The engineers did not just focus on a beautiful interior though. They also added upgraded Fox suspension and an off-road inspired wheel and tire combination. The 2.5-inch diameter Fox internal bypass shocks with piggyback reservoirs and a 1.1-inch lift improves the stance of the truck and adds to the truck's off-road capability. There are unique exterior design changes as well that pull the whole package together. A dark chrome grille and body side moldings, blacked out accents, unique stamped tailgate, and inside, an embossed label that marks the truck as one of 1,500. The Tundra 1794 limited edition will be available in dealerships spring of 2024. It is available in colors wind chill pearl, midnight black metallic, blueprint, and smoked mesquite.